Hello. I cut my hair. Ooh, it's getting really, there we go, much better. I cut my hair. I used to have it about like up to here. Last year it was like all the way down to here. Hi, by the way, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley Bernath. If you're new, I make a lot of fashion, home, and lifestyle vlog type videos. I haven't had a blunt bob in years. I think the last time I had it was back in high school or middle school. I think it was definitely middle school. Oh, no, I lied. I had it when I was in college, but it wasn't a blunt cut like this. It was actually a little bit shorter, but I don't think I would do that again. I personally like this cut. If I go like a little bit shorter, maybe like a ½ inch, but nothing more than that. I think this is very chic, put together. I did love my long hair, but I wanted something new. So I have short hair now. I love it. Like my mom says, you like it, I love it. But I'm just home right now. I'm just chilling. I actually had a little bit of a, what do you call it? Like a photo session. I had to shoot a couple of jewelry pieces for Majuri. It's really quick and easy. It's on Instagram. I do partner with them. Guys, I got a lot of updates, a lot. So I showed you guys in the last vlog that I got some Skims, right? Well, I bought more. And I love the style of these. I haven't worn them as of yet, but I will show you what I got. So I ended up getting the tank. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I ended up getting the tank to match with the pants that I got. And then I got another tank, and both of these are a size medium. Technically, I can get a small in these, but I prefer not like a very tight fit with my tops. I like it to be more relaxed, but still like secure to my body. Like it's not gonna be extremely loose. So these are mediums, but I think I can get away with a small, but I didn't want to get a small because if I did, then it would have been like this, and you can literally see my face from here. So having a medium is like just getting a regular tank top. And the last item that I have are just the like boxer shorts. I got these in a size small. They actually fit really nice. Because remember I was telling you guys that I wanted a medium, and I got them in the other color, so they're more of like a biker short style, which is true, it's accurate. And these are actually more of like a tight fit boxer style. Just wanted to show you that. I don't really have much to show you guys today. I was thinking about maybe getting some candles, because I don't have candles, but I have essential oils. But I love the vibe of a candle, let's be honest, okay? Oh my god. Wait a second. I forgot to show you guys. Girl, hold on, girl. There's too many updates, Let me show you this last update. This is the new piece that we have in the dining area. And hold on, let me tell you the story, but first let me show you and then I'll tell you the story about this. This table was at Home Goods. And I saw this table back in November or December. And I was like, oh my gosh, I really love it, but let me go ahead and think about it. Let me save up a little bit more, and if that's the one that I want, and if God allows it, then it'll just be at the store when I come back, and then I know for sure I could pick it up. Y'all, I went back to the store 3 weeks later, and if you guys know anything about Home Goods, is that when you find something, you gotta snag it right then and there, because if you don't, then it'll never come back because somebody else is gonna pick it up, and they don't have like duplicates of something. If they do, it's very rare or just not as often, especially now with COVID because everything is all over the place. So I'm not kidding, 3 weeks later I came back and I'm shopping around with my mom, you know, I was bored and all that stuff. I wasn't even thinking about it anymore. And I looked in the corner like this and I was like, is that what I think it is? And I looked, and it's the table that I wanted. 3 weeks later, no one got it. No, it was not on hold. No one like bought it and just like was waiting to, you know, pick it up for whatever reason. Like it was just on sale. I picked it up, I bought it, took it to the house. Now it's here. Like I can't even believe it. But you know what? I asked God and he allowed it, so. But those are all the updates so far. The house is coming along pretty well. I'm pretty satisfied with it so far. There's definitely a lot of things that we have to do to make it come alive because it's definitely still a work in progress, but those are all the updates that I have right now. So I'm back home from Target and I'm gonna show you guys what I do with my candles, okay? So I get from Target, if they have it available, it's their, what is it? What is the brand called? Please hold. Everspring. So I get their Everspring brand. Majority of the time I get their dish soap. I also get their hand soap and more hand soap for the bathrooms. But I also get the candles too, depending on like if they have good scents. And during like the fall and winter, they have like signature ones or like a seasonal collection. So this is the pomegranate and cranberry. I'm surprised they still had some of these because normally they would sell out during the holiday season. So what I do is usually the sticker is on the candle just like this, and I take off the sticker, which is really easy to do with these type of candles, and then I just have a really simple candle. I think it was only like $5. So every time I get a candle, I always take off the label and then light it up. I don't think I have to do a tutorial about lighting up a candle. And then I just put one on my kitchen island, and then I also put another one on my dining room table. And that's all I do. We're doing a home goods haul, just a mini one, you know, nothing too crazy. If you guys didn't know, my cat Yumi, I have trained her from the beginning that whenever I come home and I have like bags of whatever it is, like groceries, if I went shopping, if I had to get like toiletries, whatever it is, she always comes up to the table and smells everything that I get. She is the real influencer. So let's just start anyways. I got this olive oil. I needed more olive oil. Usually I get it from our local grocery store where we live. There's a Publix, so we go there. But I ended up finding this and it was $13. Talked about this in other vlogs before, but spirulina powder. I always get this. I got 2 packs. They were on sale for $4 and $3. I think they made a mistake on their price. I found this brand. I don't know how to pronounce it. Sovani? I don't know, but it was on sale for $2 for a pack of 4, and I am addicted to sparkling water. Hi, my name is Ashley, and I'm addicted to sparkling water. So I wanted to try this out. I just got the Voss sparkling water. This was on sale for like $3. They were having a lot of good sales today, and I went on a Sunday. Today's a Sunday. And then I want to try like a chia seed pudding type of thing, and I also want to add more chia seeds into my smoothies. So I got this by Wheat Montana. It was also not on sale, but it was $4.99. A lot of people have talked about like collagen powder, so I wanted to go ahead and try this. I only found it for like $2.99, and I want to start incorporating this into my smoothies or like tea, water, whatever. I have a whole bunch of sparkling water, so I can add it in there. Anyways, so that's all that I got from Home Goods. Originally, I was gonna go there to try to get a painting for that wall, but I couldn't find anything. I found this one painting. The size was great, but it had sparkles on it, and I'm not into like the whole sparkle thing. And then I found 2 other paintings that were nice, but I didn't want to have like paintings like side by side. I wanted like a huge large painting to fit that wall.